Hello everybody, this is 8Pill. It was sent to me the other day, and I don't know, it's probably about a 6-month-old build. Something interesting happened to it, something I've never seen happen before. It was sent to me, and it was a good customer, and he just said fix it. He didn't complain, he didn't fuss, he didn't point fingers, he didn't blame. He just said, hey man, my 8Pill's broke, fix it. I'm thinking it's about 6 months old. So I look in it first thing. No pills blown. Of course, it's Donkey Stomper. Yeah, you've seen that. I'm gonna tell you what happened. This tuner right here fell out. See where I glued the crap out of it this time? It fell out. It laid over in here, and when it did, it shorted. The Teflon was over here, and the tuner was laying around here, bouncing around. And what happened is when it done that, it shorted. See this piece of coax right here that runs from here, the output to the relay? It burnt that coax in two, where it shorted out to 12 volts where it's hooked up. So when it burnt that coax in two, boom, no antenna. That's what happened to it. You know, no fault of the customer at all. And like I said, this box is probably 6 months old, but maybe even a year. Here's my theory on that. This fell out because it wasn't glued in good, caused the whole problem, and didn't, you know, it's not the end user's fault. I would call that a build flaw, so, or an accident. But you know, it happened. I've never had that happen before, and as long as I've been building, I've never had that happen. But you know, I mean, I've heard them falling out, but I've never had it short out a piece of coax like that. So anyway, long story short, I choose to warranty this, and it's way out of time limit, I'm sure, on warranties, but I choose to warranty it because, you know, the way he sent it to me, he's a good customer. He said fix my box. He didn't complain, he didn't fuss, he didn't argue, and he didn't do nothing wrong. That's the kind of things that we warranty around here when something like that happens. And you don't have to tell us to warranty it. We get something, we take the lid off of it, and it's something like that, I cover it. I mean, I know a lot of people is probably not honest and they won't do that, but I do. That's why I try to stay in business. It's what keeps me in business. Try to take care of my product. Even though I can't warranty all the pills as much as I'd like to, because if I said, hey, I'm warranting all the pills, people take these things out and they try to blow them up. And you can't do that. But anyway, this wasn't his fault. Now, if let's just say that this had blown a pill, I would have probably warranted the pill because it wasn't his fault, but it didn't blow no transistors. But if it had, I probably would have warranted it. Alright, do a little test review here. I'll shut up. Alright, we're going to look at a straight through SWR to start with. Worldwide. Input SWR. Worldwide, very low, plenty, good shape, sectorable. 5-volt reverse. Worldwide, radio drive. 1000-watt slug, PP, radio driven, be reading the bottom scale. Worldwide, 500p. Alright, I'm going to go over and hit the driver. Here's what we're going to put into it. We are going to be putting, let's see, 200 pp into it, 1000-watt pp. Worldwide. A low carrier. We'll go back and look at our 5-volt reverse. Output, driven. Worldwide. A little bit less than a watt. 1000-watt, average power. Worldwide, 800 talking, 1000 and a quarter, right where it's supposed to be. 2500-watt PP. Worldwide, Donkey Stomper, get on down, 1700 PP. 15 volts, 14.8, worldwide, get on down, Donkey Stomper, get on down. 1000-watt average, 5-watt reverse, worldwide, 1000-watt average, 2500 watt PP, worldwide, Donkey Stomper, get on down. I ain't got no fail on that neither. 110, worldwide, so you know I trust it, worldwide, get on down. But we don't need more. We got y'all fixed up. You know who you are. I ain't gonna call your name. I don't call names on my videos. I'll get this out to you. I've got a couple more of your repairs here. This one will be free. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Y'all Fred and T and 018 Boost. Catch you later. Bye bye.